Good morning, students. So, children, recently you all have completed your second term examination. Now, we will start our third term chapter, and our third term chapter is lesson number 15. It is test your knowledge. So, children, it is a conversation between a father and a son. Okay, so here it is a conversation between a father and son. The first it is written here Sam. The boy name is Sam, and he is asking about something, means general knowledge, some general knowledge questions he is asking to his father. Okay, so we will study about this chapter. So Sam, Papa, I need some help. Papa, why? What are you doing? So Sam is asking to his father that Papa, I need some help. मुझे आपकी help चाहिए. Then his father replied that why? What are you doing? What happened? Then Sam, there are some interesting questions in this magazine, but I don't know the answers. So children, Sam is reading one magazine, and in magazine also you have seen, if you have seen the magazine or newspaper, some puzzles questions are given in the paper or in magazine. So generally he was reading magazine, Sam was reading magazine. So he's asking to his father that some questions are there, but I don't know the answers. Okay, then Papa, fine, go ahead. Then his father replied, okay, fine. Then tell what happened, which type of questions are there in the magazine. Then Sam, who lives in the White House in the USA? Okay, who lives in the White House? So he is asking that Sam is asking that Papa, tell me that who lives in the White House in the USA, America. Okay, then Papa, it's very simple. Tell me who lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, so Sam replied, the President of India. And children, you know very well that Rashtrapati Bhavan is in Delhi. So his papa replied that beta, it is very simple, that not you tell me that who lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Sam replied, the President of India. Okay, then Papa, yes, similarly the President of the USA lives in the White House. So Papa replied that as you all know that if the as you all know you all know that the President of USA lives in USA in the White House. So same Rashtrapati Bhavan also the President of India lives there. So next one, Papa, the next one is. So he is asking one more question to Then Papa, oh Sam, don't stammer, read it out. Okay, now he replied that okay Sam, just don't stammer, मतलब चलो मुझे बताओ क्या बात है, दूसरी क्वेश्चन मुझे बताओ. Okay, don't stammer. Then Papa, what is a reptile? Okay, then Sam, don't you know the answer to such a simple question? So Sam is asking that what is a reptile? Then he replied that don't you know the answer? You don't know the answer of such a simple question. Then his father said that मतलब तुम इतना हकला के क्यों बोल रहे हो? डोंट स्टैमर, मतलब हकला के क्या बोल रहे हो? तो वो पूछता अपने पापा से, पापा मुझे बताए कि रेप्टाइल क्या होता है. तो उसके पापा रिप्लाई करते हैं डैट इट इज़ सच अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन एंड यू डोंट नो द आंसर. ठीक है, इतना सिंपल क्वेश्चन, इतना ईजी क्वेश्चन है और तुम्हें इसका आंसर नहीं पता. सो सैम रिप्लाइड, आई एम सॉरी पापा, आई डोंट नो. देन ही रिप्लाइड दैट सॉरी पापा, आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता, प्लीज़ मुझे बता दीजिए. देन नेक्स्ट पेज चिल्ड्रन, पेज नंबर 25. पापा, reptiles are animals that crawl on the ground. However, some of them are good swimmers. So children, his father replied that reptiles are animals that crawl on ground, मतलब ज़मीन पे जो रेंगते हैं. Okay, and some of the reptiles are a good swimmers, मतलब कुछ सारे ऐसे reptiles हैं जो अच्छे तैरक हैं, अच्छा swim कर पाते हैं. Okay, सो यू नो वेरी वेल दैट रेप्टाइल्स वो होते हैं जो ज़मीन पे रेंगते हैं. ओके, दैट क्रॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड. देन सैम, पापा, डू स्नेक्स हैव लेग्स? As far as you know, snakes do not have legs. So Sam said, Sam is asking to his father, but Papa, tell me that do snakes have leg? मतलब क्या snakes के पैर होते हैं? जहाँ तक मुझे पता है वो snakes के कोई पैर नहीं होते हैं. Then Papa, you are right, Sam. Snakes do not have legs. Okay. Then Papa replied that yes, my son, it is right that snakes do not have a legs. Sam, Dad, one last question. Papa, yes, ask. Now Sam is asking to his father that Papa, one last question is there. Then he replied, Dad, yes, ask. Sam, what is solar energy? Okay, what is solar energy? So Sam is asking to his father that Papa, tell me that what is solar energy? Solar energy क्या होती है? सूर्य की रोशनी क्या होती है? Solar energy. That is called as solar energy. Then Papa, the energy given by the sun is called solar energy. So children, as you all know very well that the energy given by the sun, मतलब जो energy जो sun से मिलती है हमें, that is called a solar energy. Okay. Then father replied that son, improve your GK. Means beta, you improve your GK. Your GK is very weak. So here children, you all have completed lesson number 15, test your knowledge. So just do reading. Now we will mark the question answers in this chapter. So in this chapter 3 questions are there. First it is on page number 24, that is, it is written here na, who lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So in this sentence you have to mark from here who lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and W will be in the capital letter. Okay. And it is question number 1, and the answer is the President of India. It is answer number 1. Question number 1 and answer number 1. Now next question, it is what is a reptile? So here W will be in the capital letter, so it will be a what is a reptile. Now this answer in question, it is question number 2, and this answer is on page number 25. See the first line, answer number 2. Reptiles are animals that crawl on the ground. Okay, so you have to mark from here, reptiles are animals that crawl on the ground. Now next question number 3, it is what is solar energy? It is question number 3. The answer is the energy given by the sun is called solar energy. It is question number 3. So children, please mark this question. Now next chapter we will do in the next video. So thank you everyone. Bye and take care.